And if you have FastForms, then you have this tab available over here at the right. And this is the form sections. And this will show you any form that has been either attached by the technician or by any of the distribution rules. So if I just tab that one, you will then be able to see the form here. And this is a simple form with 3 sections that will do an inspection of a drilling tool. And you just have different fields you can answer. If you answer in a specific way, there can be fields that is connected and conditional based on your answers. So for instance, if I say no to this one, there's no extra questions. If you say yes, then there's a bunch of extra questions. And you can have all kinds of fields in here. For instance, there is a photo field, so you need to either use the camera to take a picture or upload from the library. And then you can just go ahead with your form and keep filling out whatever you need. So for instance, if you answer yes to this one, you need to put in a number. So if you put in here, you can then add the specific number to the field. We can go to the next section. Again, a drop-down menu here. You can also have, just write some text here. And you can have these toggle on-off buttons. I'll show you in a bit the way you set up these questions and how you can create them differently depending on how you want the user to respond to them.